Outdoor recreation is a major economic and environmental driver in Pennsylvania. In 2020 alone, hunting and fishing contributed $58 billion to the state's economy, a 26% increase since 2016, supporting over 4,300 different jobs and $20 billion in wages. Surveys of previously unassessed streams found wild trout in roughly half the stream's waterways studied, a strong indicator of healthy habitats and biodiversity. Maintaining these ecosystems is essential for recreational fishing, as human activity can both support and threaten these environments. The Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission oversees conservation and recreational fishing management, relying on volunteer commissioners who are experts in fish boating, and habitat restoration. With 85,000 miles of rivers and streams, thousands of lakes, and nearly 5 million acres of public land, Pennsylvania offers unparalleled opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts while highlighting the importance of protecting natural resources.
Biodiversity loss in freshwater ecosystems is driven by multiple human pressures. Overexploitation through recreational and commercial fishing removes too many fish, including juveniles and key breeding individuals, weakening population resilience. Habitat degradation, such as dam construction, shoreline development, or loss of riparian vegetation, disrupts migration. Breeding and food sources, pollutions from nutrient runoff can trigger algal blooms that deplete oxygen, while pesticides and heavy metals poison organisms and accumulate up the food chain. Invasive species introduced by humans further threaten native species by out-competing them, altering habitats, and spreading disease. Even recreational activities like fishing and frequent shoreline use can intensify these pressures. Together, these factors can create a cycle of stress that diminishes species richness, reduce ecosystem resilience, and jeopardize the long-term stability of freshwater environments.
On this slide, we're highlighting how fishing and outdoor recreation impact biodiversity in Pennsylvania. With over 1 million anglers, growing recreation puts pressure on ecosystems through overharvesting, habitat disturbance, and increased stress on wildlife. But this growth also supports conservation, since higher recreation spending strengthens the case for investing in cleaner water, healthier habitats, and better conservation infrastructure. Leadership in the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission plays a role too. Conservation-focused commissioners could introduce stronger regulations and protect vulnerable species like native trout and freshwater mussels. Lastly, the Commissioner's Climate Action Plan helps address warming waters and extreme weather by promoting habitat restoration and better watershed management. Overall, recreation brings ecological challenges but also valuable opportunities to improve conservation and long-term ecosystem health.
Research shows that recreational and commercial fishing can reduce biodiversity by overharvesting fish, disturbing spawning areas, and unintentionally catching non-target species. Removing larger, reproductively important fish also weakens population stability and reduces genetic diversity. There are several steps individuals can take to help. Following the catch limits, using gear that reduces bycatch, and practicing proper catch and release methods, and avoiding sensitive habits during breeding seasons all protect vulnerable species. Slot limits are another effective tool because they only allow fish within a certain size range to be kept, helping conserve both young fish and highly productive adult fish. Broader conservation strategies include restoring spawning habitats, creating protected areas with restricted fishing, and improving water quality protections. Maintaining vegetated shoreline buffers also reduces runoff and helps maintain healthy aquatic environments. Altogether, these actions contribute to more resilient, diverse fish populations over time. This issue strongly connects with two major United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 14, Life Below Water, and SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. SDG 14 focuses on protecting oceans, seas, and all forms of aquatic life. It highlights the urgent need to reduce pollution, prevent overfishing, and restore damaged marine and freshwater ecosystems. These actions are essential because aquatic environments support countless species and play a major role in global climate regulation and food security. At the same time, SDG 6 emphasizes the importance of clean, accessible water for all. It pushes for improved water quality, better sanitation systems, and sustainable management of water resources. Clean water is not only vital for human health, but also for the health of the ecosystems that depend on it. When we look at these two goals together, they show how interconnected our environment truly is. Protecting aquatic ecosystems helps protect communities, and managing water responsibly helps preserve biodiversity. Ultimately, safeguarding life below water and ensuring clean water access are both critical steps toward a more sustainable and resilient future.